This is a Dodge Charger. I'm testing the car now after the repair. It runs smoothly and a powerful engine. This is I will tell you how to diagnose quickly and fast diagnosing of engine misfiring. It is not necessary to remove all the parts like spark plug, ignition coil, injector. Firstly, use a scan tool, read the fault codes. After that, select active test. Select activated to cut off injector. When injector activated, monitor the engine RPM. If the RPM drops, cylinder is properly working. But if the RPM won't drops, cylinder is not working. Secondly, to be satisfied, do it manually. Start the engine at engine idle. Lift up the coil. Monitor the RPM. If the RPM drops, cylinder is working. If the RPM doesn't drop, cylinder is not working. Now, I'm gonna show you how to test defective injector. Use ohmmeter, select to 20 volts. Connect positive and negative ohmmeter terminal to the disconnected injector connector. The value reading is 8.0 volts at least. I did the same to the suspected injectors and obtained the same value. Then I was recommended to replace the defective injectors.
Ready what? Ready ka bataw. Ready ka bataw. Kabataw. Ready ka bataw. Ready ka bataw.
Now the engine runs smoothly. Even I shift to park, and you will see the idle RPM. It doesn't drop. I'll place it in drive. Now it's normal. If I will switch on the AC, yes. AC on, shift in reverse, neutral, and drive. It runs smoothly. Okay, problem solved.